How to install Visual Studio Code on Chromebook without Linux. In this today's quick guide, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code on a Chromebook without using Linux. Yes, it is possible, and here's how you do it. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your Chromebook. After that, go to Visual Studio Code web version. Just type vscode.dev. This is the web version of Visual Studio Code provided by Microsoft. No installation or Linux setup needed. Now use VS Code in the browser. You will see the familiar Visual Studio Code interface. Load up right in your browser. You can start writing and editing code right away, perfect for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. Keep in mind that this web version does not support running terminal-based apps or installing extensions that need a local environment, but it's great for quick edits and front-end development. And that's it. This is how you download Visual Studio Code on your Chromebook without Linux. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.